Welcome to the gaming channel. This is an unboxing of a limited edition Xbox One controller. From EB Games. $99.95 Australian dollars. Xbox One S controller. Playerunknowns unknown, limited edition. Brand new. I already cut the seal to make it easier. This is the controller, the triggers, bumpers, all the same. Analog sticks, D-pad, analog sticks, A, X, Y, and B, Xbox guide button, for the AA batteries. Here's the AA batteries, but I got a battery pack. Let's see what they give you. Oh. Oh shit. That fuck, I'm not gonna saw that. I'm gonna redeem that code before fucking someone steals it. Sure. Hold on 1 second, make sure there's no code on the other side. Oh good. There's a code, so I can't show the other side because I want that code. Alright then, please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll put my links in the description so you can see other stuff on my Instagram, the gaming one.